Good morning, students. This is your economics class. Students, today we will revise the topic cost of production. So, as I told you earlier, that cost of production means the total expenditure incurred by the producer for producing a goods. So, cost of production is of three types: total cost, average cost, or marginal cost. So, total cost is, students, total cost of production is the sum total of all expenditure incurred in producing a given volume of output. The formula to calculate total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Students, in the short run, if producer wants to increase the production, he only change the total variable cost. Fixed cost remain the same. Okay, it doesn't change with the change in the output. So fixed cost are those costs which do not change with the change in the quantity of output. As you see in this table, output units is given and total fixed cost. See, when output is 0, fixed cost is remain same. So therefore the curve of total fixed cost is parallel to OX axis, means increase in the production does not change in the total fixed cost. So next is total variable cost. So it is the opposite of total variable cost. So as the production increases, you can see in this table, as the production increases, output unit increases, the total variable cost is also increases. So here is the curve of total variable cost, which shows that it is slopes upward. Okay, so the total cost is the combination of total fixed cost and total variable cost. Next is relationship between total fixed cost and variable cost. So total cost is, students, the total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Okay, so in order to determine the total cost, we have to add the total cost and total fixed cost and total variable cost. Next is, students, average cost. So average cost is the cost incurred for producing one unit. So it is a per unit cost of a output. As total cost is divided into two parts, similarly average cost is also divided into two parts: average fixed cost, average variable cost. Average fixed cost is per unit fixed cost of output. So students, average fixed cost is also remain same. Average fixed cost is decreasing from 60 to 30, 20. As the production is increasing, average fixed cost goes on decreasing. See the diagram of average fixed cost. This curve, the average fixed cost curve, has a downward slope, means as the production increasing, more and more output is produced, average fixed cost goes on diminishing. Next is average variable cost. So student, average variable cost means total variable cost divided by the number of unit produced. So average variable cost is obtained from the total variable cost by dividing the output units. So as the output increase, total variable cost is increase. Okay, and average variable cost is also increase. So see the curve of average variable cost. First it is decreasing from point M, it is goes on increasing. Okay students, next is marginal cost. So student, marginal cost, as you read earlier, that what is marginal means change. Okay, so marginal cost is the addition to the total cost. Whenever one more unit of product is produced, increase in the total cost is marginal cost. Okay, so marginal cost is obtained by deducting the total cost of the previous output and the new output. See, when the output is 0, total cost is 60, no marginal cost is here. When output is increased to 61, total cost is 160. Okay, at that time marginal cost is 100. So marginal cost is obtained by deducting the previous total cost. The formula of calculating marginal cost is total cost of nth unit minus total cost of n minus 1. Okay students.